Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Is your iPhone having trouble playing videos? Whether it's a streaming issue or a playback error, I'll guide you through some simple solution. Let's get started. First step is to check your internet connection. For streaming apps like YouTube or Netflix, ensure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. The next step is to restart the app. Close the app and reopen it. On iPhone with a home button, double press it and swipe the app away. On newer models, swipe up from the bottom and close the app. The next step is to update the app. Go to the App Store and search for the app. Next, you tap Update if available. Next step is to restart your iPhone. Hold the power button and the slide to turn off, then turn it back on and try playing the video again. If you are streaming on Safari, clear Safari cache. Go to the Settings app, then you go to Safari, scroll down and select Clear History and Websites Data. Next, you confirm to clear the cache. Next, you check for iOS update. Stay in the Setting app, go to General, then you go to Software Update, install any pending updates. The next step is to try playing a downloaded video in the phone app to see if the issue is an app specific or system wide. The next step is to reset all settings. Stay in the Setting app, go to General, then Reset, then you reset all settings. This won't delete your data but will reset preference. If the issue persists, it could be an hardware or deeper software issue. And there you go guys, those are the best way to fix video issues on your iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks you so much for watching and bye bye.